On needs 10 seconds of power tooling, so you see, the internet love that. 10 seconds of sparks or the machine going and that's it and they're happy. I don't know why. Is it meant to be on fire? And if it tightens, all good. If not, I need to put another shim on if it's too tight. So there's the grease, there's the button in. This bit here goes down on the bottom with shims. Yeah, that's it assembled, that's the top one assembled. So, plates over the hole, the button's in, screw this on, and if it tightens, all good. If not, I need to put another shim on if it's too tight. Wheel bearing to go in the carrier, it needs 2 grease nipples and brake hose. Yeah, that's it assembled, that's the top one assembled. Okay, I don't know what's happened here, but it seems to be a lot better looking than it did look last night. that's still popped out. Right. Oh, it'll be down. Doing it nothing. Right, okay. Wee bit of background. Hit a pothole with Allegro. 50-year-old ball joint, 47-year-old ball joint. Pumped it full of grease a couple of years back. Been trying to get new ones, they're unobtainable. So I'm afraid it looks like the car's going to be recovered and taken to a scrapyard because I can't do anything with it. It's front wheel drive, very complicated. It's not like putting a ball joint in a Cortina at the side of the road. So I'm freezing. I've been waiting 3 hours for recovery and I'm going to Burger King for a heat. PV Allegro, it's need to go to scrap. PV Allegro, it's need to go to scrap. Okay, wee video of the day, wee update. Oh, it looks like the recovery company's managed to pop the ball joint back in. The shaft's halfway out. It's going to Edinburgh to my friend Lee Taylor Motors. He's picking up and transport tomorrow. And we've just got to try and leave it one night and hope it doesn't get burnt, you know. But it looks like a motor, so should be alright. I've got the wee MG, somebody's blocked me in, that's good. Anyway, away home. The motor doesn't seem to be that bad underneath, really, I can see. But Lee will be able to tell me once he gets it in the pit, and then I can order up the stuff. I suppose I'm a little bit happy, I'm a bit more resigned that maybe the motor's getting a second chance. So I'll keep you updated on that, the Allegro episode. But in the meantime, this has been a good fun day for me. Yeah, so what's happened here is that pin's armoured and that steel bit there. It's come out. Yeah, there it is there. Yeah. There you go. I'm buying this because the guy says it can withstand any Glasgow pothole.
This wee motor's worked good. I'm very pleased with it.
We were just going to fork it. Was it your fucking
There's water running out now. What the fuck's that all about?
Nah,
Is that?
God, it's been the top one day.
You bastard. Yeah, that's brand new.
What? That's not brand new.
Aye. I put that on. I did 2 top ones.
No, I don't know, minute.
Aye, it's done the top one and all.
Fuck's sake.
That's fucking, that's not meant to happen.
So, have you got enough for the top ones? Have we both the same?
No, the top ones are easy, they're mint. I'm going to talk here. Listen, we got a problem. We've snapped the...
Houston, you got a problem.
We've got a snapped hub and the threads are snapped. And it turns out it isn't the ball joint itself. I thought it had cracked because that's mild steel and I thought that pin was armoured.
Top one's cracked.
Top one's cracked, yep. Well, that was a failure I was expecting in both.
Fubar.
This is actually snapped the hub right at the threads. Look, that's unbelievable. And then cracked the top. This is going to need a full hub. Edinburgh. No, I'm trying to film on the way home. I did it in the Coyote coming here, and the thing is, I want to get that back road there to the petrol station. You see, I overfilled the tank. I had to throw sand on it and all that because it was leaking out on the way here. But there's no fuel gauge. The dashboard's a nightmare. There's nowhere to lift the dash out. So I'm not fucking my back up crawling underneath the dash. Power tools. There we are, one more world. Anything. So, 2 bearings. Keep going.
What an ugly thing. Burn it! There she blows.